Ryan and Greg split the driving on a 1,335-kilometer trip from Calgary to Winnipeg. Ryan drove to Regina with an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Greg drove the rest of the way to Winnipeg with an average speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The total trip took 14.2 hours. What is the distance between Calgary and Regina and Winnipeg? Ryan drives a distance x from Calgary to Regina at 90 kilometers per hour. Greg drives the distance y from Regina to Winnipeg at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The equation distance equals speed times time can be manipulated for time by dividing both sides by s. This gives the equation t equals d over s. We can fill in the time for Ryan and Greg using distance over speed. Now we'll write a system of equations. The total distance from Calgary to Winnipeg is 1,335 kilometers, so we have x plus y equals 1,335 as our first equation. The total time is 14.2 hours, so we have Ryan's driving time plus Greg's driving time equals 14.2 hours. We need to get rid of the fractions in this equation before we can use elimination. Multiply both sides by the common denominator, which is 900. Distribute 900 through the brackets. Reduce the fractions to get 10x plus 9y equals 12,780. Now we'll use elimination to solve for each variable. Multiply the first equation by 10. Subtract the two equations to get y equals 570. Plug the y value of 570 into the equation x plus y equals 1,335. This gives an x value of 765. We can now answer the question. The distance from Calgary to Regina is 765 kilometers, and the distance from Regina to Winnipeg is 570 kilometers.